14 types of women men absolutely love. Do you feel like you don't know how to attract the type of man you want? You are not alone. A lot of women feel lost when it comes to attracting and understanding men, and why sometimes things go wrong even though they treat men well. But you should know that your failure is not your fault, and there's nothing wrong with you. It's due to the fact that there are different types of men, and understanding what types of women they love is key, especially if you want to create a successful relationship. So, what do men really love? According to research, there are certain types of women that most men find irresistible. In this video, we will take a look at those 14 types of women and give you some tips on how you can become one of them. Welcome to a new video from the Social Psychology Masters YouTube channel. If you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. And comment down below, I subscribed, and let us welcome you. Let's start. Number 1. The funny woman. Studies have shown that men often choose funny women over those who are more serious. That's because humor is a sign of intelligence and creativity, as well as the ability to let go of one's inhibitions and simply enjoy life. Most men find it difficult to control their laughter when they're with a funny woman, and that's because it makes them feel good. It also helps that humor hides insecurity and creates a bond between two people. Number 2. The caring woman. According to male psychology, men find it difficult to resist a caring woman. That's because men are biologically attached to their mothers, and they never stop looking for the mother figure in their partners. A caring woman offers support, protects her man when he needs it, and gives him all that he needs to feel wanted. That promises stability in his life, which is important to men. When you show that you really care about his well-being, he automatically becomes enchanted with you because he feels like he has finally found someone who understands him at the deepest level. Number 3. The mysterious woman. Did you know that men love a mysterious type of woman? According to research, most men find it hard to resist a woman who isn't completely open with them. That's because they want to know everything about their woman, and all that you might be hiding from them will only attract them more. This is why having some mystery is an important characteristic for any woman. This doesn't mean you should completely mask your emotions and keep the truth from him at all times. It just means that men find it hard to resist a woman who is slightly mysterious, as this makes them feel like they have a lot to discover about you. Number 4. The intelligent lady. Being intelligent is always a winning characteristic, especially with men. They find it extremely hard to resist women who have some level of intelligence. It shows that you're a problem solver, capable and confident enough to achieve anything in life. This doesn't mean that you have to be a genius or that you need to read every book under the sun. It just means that you show the ability to think logically and synthetically. That will definitely help you win his heart, as men are naturally attracted to women who are smart. Number 5. The kindhearted woman. Most men go for a woman who is sweet and down to earth. That's because she doesn't raise her voice or give him an attitude when he does something she doesn't like, as it makes them feel bad about themselves. Women with positive energy are always desirable to men, as they make them feel calm and relaxed. Being kind-hearted shows that you're caring and that you'll take good care of him. That's exactly what he wants. Number 6. The honest woman. This one is self-explanatory. Men love a woman who is honest. As they say, trust is the most important thing in any relationship. If you lie to your man or keep something from him, he will feel as if you don't trust him enough to confide in him. That will spell trouble for your relationship, as it shows that you lack the ability to express your emotions. Being honest is not only important for any relationship, but also means that you're a person worthy of respect and admiration. Number 7. The wise woman. Wisdom is an attractive quality for most men. Men love a woman who knows what she wants and isn't afraid to go get it. That shows power and strength of character. That's because women like this aren't afraid of facing conflicts head-on, and they give the impression that life with them won't be dull or boring. It's the combination of all these things that makes this woman incredibly hard to resist. Being wise is attractive and desirable because it shows that you're strong and mature enough to handle all kinds of problems. Number 8. The independent woman. This quality is desirable for most men. They love women who can take care of themselves and don't need to rely on them constantly. It shows that you are mature enough to handle your own problems, which gives him the sense of stability that he needs in any relationship. Being independent doesn't mean that you never rely on help from others. It just shows that you have enough confidence to achieve what you want without constantly being dependent on someone. Number 9. The emotionally stable woman. This one is similar to number 7, as it means that he loves a woman who doesn't overreact all the time. Most men go for women who don't constantly show their negative emotions and feelings, as it becomes exhausting after a while. Being emotionally stable gives him peace of mind, and it shows that you are a woman that can be trusted to keep her emotions under control. For most women, this might seem like a challenging task, but it definitely pays off in the long run. All you have to do is to try letting your positive emotions show more often than your negative ones. Number 10. The loyal woman. Loyalty means you'll be there for him at all times. Most men want to believe that their partner would never cheat on them or give themselves away easily, as it makes them feel safe and secure. A loyal woman is every man's dream because she shows that she's committed to the relationship. It gives her man the sense of security that he needs in any relationship, and he knows that she feels the same way about him. Number 11. The chill woman. Being chill simply means that you enjoy the little things in life. That makes you more easygoing and fun to hang around with, because he knows that he can count on you to make even the most boring moments fun. Like picnics in the park or long drives along the scenic route. Being chill might be considered laziness by some, but it simply means that you're not afraid of slowing down and enjoying the simpler things in life. Men want that kind of woman by their side because it relieves them of all the stress they go through on a daily basis. Number 12. The understanding woman. Most men want a woman who understands them and knows what they need at all times. Men appreciate a woman who doesn't constantly compete with them or try to prove that she's better in every way. Instead, men fall for women who are understanding and sweet. They want someone who will listen when they have problems or simply need someone to vent to. Number 13. The self-aware woman. This kind of woman is confident and knows what she wants from life. Most men are attracted to that because it shows that you're not afraid to stand up for yourself or defend your own interests. You know what you want in life, which gives him the sense of comfort he needs in any relationship. It also shows him that you're strong and determined enough to achieve whatever your heart desires. Number 14. The supportive woman. Support means that you're willing to do anything for someone, and most men love that because it shows how much you care about them. It's a different kind of love than romantic love, but it can definitely be developed into something deeper and more meaningful over time. A supportive woman is every man's dream because she will always be there to help him with anything he needs. It gives him peace of mind and shows that you're willing to go the extra mile to show him how much he means to you. Number 15. The spontaneous woman. Spontaneity means that you're not afraid of making quick decisions and doing things on the spot. Most men love spontaneity because it shows how creative you are. Most men know what to do when something feels right, which is an attractive trait for most women. He will admire your ability to act on impulse and love that adventurous side of you that's ready to take on anything. Conclusion. While the research does provide a list of types of women that men love, it's important to remember that not all men are the same. What might work for one man might not work for another. But if you're serious about learning how men think and exactly what they desire to fall deeply in love with you, check out the first link in the description right now. This guide is packed with professional psychology advice that will help you understand men and how they think. You will learn what men desire most in a woman and how to make them fall for you, even if they don't seem interested at first. With this professional male psychology guide, you will never fail to attract and keep a man's attention again. So, check out the first link in the description right now. To learn more, check out other videos on this channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.